Hi everyone! So in today's video, I'm going to be showing how to perform some basic operations within the composition folder, specifically parallel composition, taking the product of two automata, and taking the observer of an automaton. So to begin with, I have two files that I read in using d.read_fsm, and I assigned each of them to their respective variables a and b. And before we perform any of these operations, I really quickly want to plot both of these automata just so you can have some sort of visualization and idea of what both of these look like. So the first one is A to the left, and to the right, we're going to see B. Okay, so my first operation is going to be taking the product. So I'm going to set a variable called a prod b, and then I'm going to say d.composition. And this is really important because composition is the folder in which the product operation is located. So we need to use that when we're scripting. And then after that, I'm going to write dot product, which is the function I'm going to be using. And then in parentheses, I'm going to put the two automata I want to take the product of. And to show that this works, I'm going to very quickly plot this. So I'm going to say d.plot a prod b and graph it. So this is the product of a and b. Next, I'm going to take the parallel composition of a and b. So I'm going to create a new variable called a par b and set it equal to d.composition, so just like last time, and said the function is going to be called parallel. And the two automata go in the parentheses. And similar to last time, I'm going to plot this just to visualize what this looks like. And once I run this, we're going to see the parallel composition of A and B. And for our final operation, I'm going to take the observer of A. So I'm going to create a variable called observer and set it equal to d.composition observer. Observer is the name of the function, and I'm going to put A in the parentheses since we're only dealing with one automaton when we're taking the observer. And I'm going to plot it. And once this is plotted, we're going to be able to see that this is now the observer of automaton A. Thank you so much for watching. A link to our other tutorials will be down below. Thank you.